to the live demonstration of Visual Presenter VPD 945 desktop model. Infralabs VPD 945 has 5 megapixel camera. It has 2 LED lights and it has front controls. It is loaded with many ports. Here we have a button to switch on and off. Then you can see different ports: USB, RS-232, HDMI out, HDMI in, LAN, video out, AV in, audio out, VGA out 1, audio in 1, VGA in. Then here also on the side we have VGA out 2, VGA in 2, audio in and mic. It comes with the VGA and all the necessary ports. We give you all the cables for its effective working, like HDMI cable, etc. Now here you can see that we have connected it to the power, and now we are connecting it to a monitor using a VGA cable. You can use any output unit like projector or any other screen, because this equipment is independent of computer. It makes your class and presentations very effective. We have set the equipment VPD 945. Now, while giving presentation or while giving lecture in a classroom, in case you want to refer to some book content, you can simply put that under the surface of Visual Presenter and project it on the monitor like this. You can adjust the brightness of the image and you can save this image to the equipment itself. Without disturbing the audience, you can freeze the image on the screen and turn the page. Now you are going to freeze this with the help of remote. And you can use a few shortcut keys reading our user manual. So from here you can see we have changed the page and it is not reflected on the monitor. So now we are on the second page without disturbing the audiences. So this was the freeze feature of the VPD 945. Now we will see the zoom feature of VPD 945. So we have one leaf with us. We have kept it on the surface of Infralab VPD 945 Visual Presenter. See? Now you can see the zoom. You can see the minutest of the details of this equipment. You can see the leaf very closely. You can show it to the students. It has 22x zoom. Now we will show you the images stored on this device. We have already stored images on VPD 945. Here we recall them. Recall button. So here we had taken the first image. Now the second image. So like this you can save many images. So here we had saved only 2 images as in now. You can save up to 18 images on this device. And in case you want to extend its memory, you can attach to computer and save as many as you want. You can also record videos using its software and save that on your computer. Visual Presenter 945 comes with all the necessary cables, VGA, power cable, HDMI and CD software, remote, required adapters and other complete accessories. Use this VPD 945 to make your lectures interesting and more effective. For more information, you can log on to www.smartclassroomindia.com. Thank you so much.